Hello Barber followers, welcome back. Today we do remember our useful information videos, which is I get some question and then I think it's a better way. Make a quick update everyone. Most people knows what we're doing. Long terms we've been together. Thank you very much for regular followers, and then new followers, hopefully you follow us, and then please don't forget the like button. Yes, firstly, hot towel, very useful. How do we make a hot towel? I have a couple of videos. We just pick one hot towel, wet up, squish it, and then get the water out, and then put them in the bowl. All suitable plastic bag, and then stick them in microwave. Let's put in this. After, I always like to prefer very hot water. If your tap water is not really hot enough, boil it with the kettle, use it, and then I use a short mid brush, which is easy to hold on and work with it. I use an arca soap, I put them in, and then razor, I built this on myself, which is I have ended up about this video. And then what's the problem with this razors these days? I use the Permashop blade, which is this day is a blade coming with the single pack, and the back of the days we snap it too, but this days this is single pack blades in the packaging. They put them too much wax to hold on paper, but this wax, when you put the blade in, always is after a while, which is a build up. When you look at it, you know what I mean, just too much. And then after a while, when you're trying to put your blade in, it's not really going easy. What you need to do before you put the blade in, put your razor in couple of seconds your hot water, which is what is make your blade go in very easy and smoothly. There you go. That's another trick for you. And then when you put this blade in, and then make a soft surface, put them in straight, and then check everything level, which is not level, just tap it which side is high. That razor ready, blade in. Now start put a foam. When you put the foam, when the extra water in the bowl, we just put it a hot water bowl, which is, we have a nice, I don't know if you can see or not, it's like bubbles, but you keep doing this, which is you not waste your soap to go into the sink. And then let's start filming. Keep circles small. Take time when you're doing film your beard. The reason is you want to just make sure your beard get soft. Enough. Try to use the razor this end much as the close your, just don't hold it like this, just much as you level your skin, which is this way, not really damage your skin or cut yourself, less chance. Don't rush. follow your hairline. First past, because if you got it against it, it will damage your skin. Before hot towel, check it if you didn't miss anything. No. I have done, but I have a slightly, I feel burn around here. What's the hot towel make? That's burns, rush, go away. And then hot towel work because when we shaving it, razor take off face moisturizer. As soon as you'll moisturize your face, start burn and itchy, which is this one, stop. I will do one more pass because you can do 2-3 times hot towel. There you go. And then always only do one pass. And then I never do against my beard, because when I do it I will get really bad rush, which is, most people ask me why you not do this, why you not do that. That's why I'm not doing it, because it get like doesn't suitable my beard against if I shave it. After, we always traditional way we use aftershave. Apply our face directly, which is this is the high level alcohol's in it. Now, after apply alcohol, yogurt cream, and help recovery when you're shaving, because when you shave yourself, your skin get damaged, because we don't see it, but every time you touch the blade of your face, it will make it damage your skin, but that will repair quickly and feel nice. I hope this is the help for new beginner and help for the maybe someone knows this but forget. One more time, and then I don't need to tell you. You know what you need to do is like the channel, like the videos, keep going. Thank you very much.